Hey my butterflies, it is Sunday, it is football day. My husband and the youngest one went to the Saints and the Giants game because they're both opposite. One's a Saints fan, one's a Giants fan, but they want to enjoy themselves and I want to stay home and relax. And I wanted to try this Mexican street corn soup that I seen on TikTok. It looks so delicious, y'all, and I just love soup. So let's go make this soup. So unfortunately, I went to the store and I forgot one of the items. It called for, no, two of the items. It called for fresh jalapenos, which I forgot. So I got the jar jalapenos. I'm just going to dice them up. And a can of green chilies. I don't have it. I thought I had a can of Rotel. I know it's not green chilies. I was just going to try to tweak it, but don't have it. I'm going to make it do what it do. And a small onion. So let's get to chopping. It calls for 2 chicken breasts. Let me rinse them off. Let's put this together. I have my onion and my diced jalapenos. My 2 chicken breasts. This is about 4 cups of chicken broth. One 12-ounce of frozen corn. It calls for 2 cups of sour cream. I'm gonna eyeball it. Cup of shredded cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. I'm probably gonna do a little more cheese because I like my stuff very cheesy. Like I said, we eyeballing this. My seasonings for right now, I'm just gonna do Tony Sashery, and onion powder. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all up. Stir all these ingredients together. Now I'm gonna let this cook for 3.5 hours. I'm gonna come back, take the chicken out to shred it and season to taste, and we'll be back in 3.5 hours. Alrighty, put it on high and let it simmer. And let's go shred this. It's several hours later, y'all, and oh my God, it smells so good. And I tasted, I didn't have to add anything. So let me put this in a bowl. This is the soup, y'all. Oh my God, it smells so good. And I'm gonna add some more cheese. This is it.
Who leads the league in tackles? Everybody needs an update. Here's you, Justin Herbert. After a 41-yard run to set this up, after a 2-yard pass to Ladd McConkey as they host
So good.
Commanders, lead 7-0. And earlier in the day, what you can see is it right there. Again, Justin Herbert had a 71-yard run. You can see already to set that up, and 41-yard run to set that up. You're going to see Lamar Jackson and a host of other stars.